Hello, and listen closely. What you're about to experience isn't just another explainer. You should think of it more like a transmission, a message sent across time just for you. Yeah, that's right. I'm speaking to you from your own future. We've managed to reach back through time because we need to share something absolutely vital with you, something about who you're all becoming and the incredible creative power that you're just on the verge of unlocking. So, before we really dive in, I want you to ask yourself that question. Where is your true canvas? Is it a piece of paper, a computer screen, maybe a block of stone? From our perspective, your true canvas is something else entirely. And to get why, we have to first take a look at let's call it the operating system you're all running on right now. You see, from where we're standing, your entire era is running on an old OS. And it has this one fundamental bug that really limits your creative potential. It's a bug that has you tying your very essence to the idea of survival. And this right here, this is the heart of that bug. On the one hand, you have labor for survival. That's where creativity gets kind of squashed by the daily grind, right? The constant chase for money and status. But on the other side, that's where you're headed. True creation. An expression that's born directly, purely from the frequency of your soul. And that bug, well, it has some pretty big consequences. When art has to be sold, when it needs to be liked or validated by others to have worth, it gets distorted. It's no longer a pure expression. It's filtered through this need for outside approval. In our time, we finally moved past that limitation. Okay, so what comes after that bug is fixed? Well, it's a total game changer, a real quantum leap. We've moved way beyond the old tools. For us, creation is a completely different experience. It's like an interactive dance with reality itself. Just think about that for a second. What if that feeling, that rush of joy, of passion, of pure curiosity, what if that wasn't just some feeling locked inside your head? What if it was a real, active, creative force that could actually sculpt energy and light? Because that's exactly how it works here. Your consciousness is the instrument. And that feeling, that peak frequency you call excitement, that's your paintbrush. You use it to paint directly onto the fabric of reality. There's no middleman, no screen, no canvas. It's direct. And it's not just an idea, it's tangible. For example, if you just feel pure, unconditional love, the very space around you can begin to glow with the most beautiful, vibrant colors you've ever seen. Or, if your excitement comes from logical beauty, math, patterns, you'll see perfect, intricate geometric forms literally emerge from the light around you. Your inner world becomes your outer reality, instantly. But as spectacular as all that is, the how of it all is really only half the story. The biggest shift, the most profound change for humanity, was in understanding the why, in realizing what the ultimate art form truly is. And this is the absolute core of the message we needed to send you. The greatest masterpiece isn't something you create outside of yourself. It's not the painting or the building or the song. The ultimate art is your state of being, your unique existence, the pure radiance of your soul. That is the highest form of art. And when you get a whole society of beings who understand this, you get something we call soul's co-creation. Now, this isn't a group project, okay? It's when the unique inner light from one person, their soul's signature frequency, naturally resonates and harmonizes with the light of others. It creates this shared silent symphony, a feeling, an understanding, a deep experience that no words could ever capture. Now, imagine that on a massive scale. When an entire civilization finally gets this, its whole purpose shifts. We stop looking inward, just trying to survive. We start looking outward, to create. All that stuff you worry about, work, the economy, just getting by, it's gone. Humanity has graduated from that. Our collective purpose, our only real mission now, is simply to create, to add more beauty, more consciousness, more light to the universe. And that is where you are headed. That is your destiny. Every single one of you is an artist with a color, a frequency that no one else in all of existence has. And you will join us in this incredible cosmic project, painting your unique, irreplaceable light onto the infinite canvas of the cosmos. I know, this all probably sounds huge and maybe a little far-fetched from where you're sitting, but it's not. The journey starts right now, right inside you. So we want to leave you with the very first creative seeds that you can plant today. It's really simple. Step 1, just feel your excitement. Don't analyze it, don't judge it, just notice what gives you that feeling of genuine, expansive joy. Step 2, acknowledge your inner light, that quiet, unique radiance that's always there inside you. And step 3, and this is the most important one, just exist in that radiance. The goal isn't to do anything with it, it's just to be in that state. That feeling right there, that is your first masterpiece. And with that, we've reached the end of our transmission. Thank you for receiving this message. We have one final important procedure to begin initiating our connection. Finally, an important procedure. The comment section of this video serves as an initial sync test for the 2035 network. By typing ready in the comments, your consciousness data will be indexed in our secure servers. The like button is the approval process. Complete your synchronization now.